Hello, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Nur Aisha and I am a student of Diploma in Petroleum Engineering Technology, Plant Operation Semester 1. Welcome to this presentation on types of oil and gas, transportation and storage. Oil and gas industry plays a crucial role in the global economy, ensuring a steady supply of energy. However, transporting and storing these resources requires specialized infrastructures and methods. In this presentation, I will discuss different types of transportation methods. Then I will move on to the various storage solutions used in industry. Finally, I will conclude by summarizing the key points. To start with, pipelines. Pipelines are one of the most common and efficient methods for transporting natural gas, crude oil, and refined petroleum products over long distances. They offer continuous transportation with minimal human intervention and can be either onshore or offshore. There are three types of pipelines. Gathering pipelines, which collect oil and gas from production sites. Transmission pipelines, which transport resources across long distances. And distribution pipelines, which deliver natural gas to end users. Moving on, oil and liquefied natural gas are often transported via specialized ships known as tankers and LNG carriers. Crude oil tankers carry unrefined oils from production areas to refineries, while product tankers transport refined petroleum products. LNG carriers use insulated tanks to keep natural gas in a liquid state at extremely low temperatures. These ships enable global oil and gas trade between producing and consuming nations. In addition, for shorter distances or areas without pipeline access, trucks and trains are used. Tanker trucks are commonly used for gasoline, diesel, and LPG distribution to gas stations and consumers. Rail transport is effective for moving large quantities of crude oil and refined products over land, especially in areas lacking pipeline networks. Though flexible, these methods have higher costs and risks compared to pipelines. Similarly, barges transport oil and gas through rivers and coastal waterways. They are mainly used in regions with extensive water networks. Barges are a cost-effective method for transporting crude oil, petroleum products, and LNG. Although they are slower, they are useful for bulk transport over medium distances. Lastly, while not a primary method, air transport is used for urgent deliveries of specialized petroleum products, spare parts, or emergency fuel supplies. That's the end of types of transportation methods. Let's move on to the different types of storage methods. First of all, large cylindrical tanks store crude oil, refined products, and liquefied petroleum gas at refineries, terminals, and distribution centers. They're made of steel and equipped with floating roofs to reduce vapor loss. These tanks are commonly found in refineries and storage terminals. Furthermore, underground storage is used for storing crude oil and natural gas in large underground formations, Salt caverns and depleted oil and gas reservoirs provide natural containment. These are essential for strategic petroleum reserves and seasonal gas storage. Similarly, floating storage units are used to temporarily store oil and gas offshore. Floating storage and offloading units act as storage ships, holding crude oil until it can be transferred to tankers. While floating production, storage, and offloading are not only used for storing oil, but processed it before transportation. These methods are essential in offshore locations where pipelines are not available. Finally, compressed natural gas storage. Natural gas is compressed under high pressure for storage and transportation. It is mainly used for fueling vehicles and transporting small gas quantities. This method requires high pressure tanks and specialized infrastructure. That's the end part for storage methods. In summary, different transportation and storage methods are essential for ensuring a stable oil and gas supply. Pipelines, tankers, trucks, rail, barges, and air transport help move these resources efficiently. While storage solutions like above-ground tanks, underground caverns, and LNG terminals ensure they are kept safely until needed. With that, we have reached the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.